Hello everyone, today I just wanted to quickly show you guys this WYBOT cordless vacuum for the pool. This works really well. I just want to quickly show you guys the features of it. Here we have a charging port. Once you want to charge it, you would just open this and plug the charger here, and once you are done, you have to make sure that you close this tightly so the water doesn't go inside this part. So here we have really nice large dirt basket. You can just easily pull this out and wash it out. The best feature for this, it has a rubber piece here, and once you pull this out, you don't drop the whatever it picked up accidentally anywhere in your backyard. So this will just hold everything inside, and there is a latch here. You would just open this and then empty it out, and you can see this rubber part. It just prevents the debris going back inside the pool as well. This is really nice function. So here it is, you can see it's really large. It takes a lot of debris inside. I will show you guys uh, as well how much it picked up. So here you can see it has nice large compartment, and it takes the water from here, and the water can just here there is the pump. It just pumps out the water from here while it's climbing up on the wall. That's how it stick on the wall. It's just keep pumping out water from there as well. Here you would just put this back inside and close it, and here we have some there is let me see if I can turn it on. So here there is LED lights. The green light indicates that it is fully charged. The blue light indicates that it is connected to the phone and the application. If it's flashing red, it will indicate there is something wrong. You would just take it out and see. And once it's flashing, I believe the red one flashing or steady, it's indicate that it is charging. So here you can see these are really nice plastic rubbers. This works really well on the edge of the pool, the walls. It just cleans up those water line really nice and easy. And these tires as well, it's a rubber piece. It doesn't damage the pool. I am using this for my above ground pool, and it works really well. And it is 32 by um, 16 foot. And you can see here there are some tires that helps going smoothly. So this is pretty much it for this unit. I hope this was helpful for you guys. uh, Thank you for watching.